Remember when we used to carry cash everywhere? Well, times have changed. Today, over 90% of the world's money doesn't exist as physical cash, it's all digital. But why did this happen? And could cash disappear forever? Let's find out. The rise of digital money. According to financial reports, less than 10% of all money today exists as cash. The rest? It's just digital numbers in bank accounts, credit cards, and even cryptocurrencies. Some countries are already moving towards a cashless future. For example, in Sweden, over 90% of all transactions are done digitally. And governments worldwide are even creating their own digital currencies. Money has evolved over time. Long ago, people used the barter system, trading goods directly. Then came gold and silver coins, followed by paper money. Later, we got credit cards. And today, the biggest revolution is digital money. Fun fact! The first ever online purchase happened in 1994, and guess what? It was just a CD. That moment marked the beginning of the digital payment era. But how does digital money actually work? It's not just numbers on a screen. It moves through banks, mobile wallets, and online payment systems in real time. Apps like Google Pay, Apple Pay, and PayPal let you pay instantly, no cash needed. Even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have changed how we think about money by using a decentralized system called blockchain. Pros and cons of digital money. So, is digital money good or bad? Let's look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, digital payments are faster, safer, and easier to track. You don't have to worry about losing cash. But there are some downsides too. Cybersecurity risks are a big concern, and not everyone has internet access. Plus, some worry that digital money could mean less financial privacy in the future. In the future, will cash disappear? With new technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and central bank digital currencies, experts believe that by 2050, cash could disappear completely. Imagine a future where you pay with your fingerprint, your face, or even your thoughts. Sounds like science fiction, but with rapid advancements, it might be closer than we think. So, what do you think? Will cash completely disappear in the future? Or will we always need some form of physical money? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel Why for Ask for more answers to your why questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.